Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and record your Zoom meetings. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So for example, let me just start a new meeting just for this. So let me just go ahead and click on start. Now, if it is your own meeting, then you can go ahead and record. Your meeting. However, if it is not your own, you must have the permission to go ahead and record. So all you need to do is just click on this more icon right over here and then click on record, or you could also press the Alt plus R key on your keyboard and then it will simply go ahead and start recording. As you can see, you can just record it as long as the meeting lasts. You can also go ahead and pause it if you want to right here by pressing on Alt P or just clicking here, and then stop it by clicking on Alt R or just clicking here.
Recording stopped.
It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.